exactly. So, so maybe all those bread and burgers won't be bad.
But mind you, it's not the kind of bread we have in Nigeria, like agege bread and all that. So
No
if you
problem. As long as it's anything that do and pastry, it's okay.
if you have a strong teeth for hard bread, then definitely you would enjoy the bread. Of course, there are soft bread too, but yeah, there are different kind of bread. Some are as hard as rock, you know. So prepare yourself. But if you like beer, you know, aside from bakery, breweries are also another thing that are so common in Germany. There are over, I think, 1,500 brands of beer in Germany.
Interesting.
Yeah, so if you are someone who likes to drink or likes beer, then
Yeah,
prepare.
unfortunately for me, I'm not an alcohol person, so I don't
Yeah,
know if they
so
do if they do know alcoholic. So
but they have what they call um free alcohol beer. That's alcohol free beer. You know,
okay,
so yeah. So if you're not if you don't drink alcohol, there are still beer that are alcohol free. you know. So yeah, I mean, there are different assorted types of beer, different kinds, different kinds. Over 1,500 brands of beer, over 1,500 brands, and in fact, there are more breweries in Germany than universities. You know, so that's how much you know that's how much beer is embedded into the German culture. You know,
that's
so
a good one.
yeah, so the key word is beer, breweries, and bakery or bread, all the B's. Just remember all the B's: bread and
Okay,
bakery, beer and breweries.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
It's cool. It's okay.
yeah.
It's
So
okay. And for me, well, like when it comes to food, for me, I don't think I have a problem with that. I'll see myself in different situations when it comes to food. So I think like it is things to consider while resorting such place. I don't food is not like one of my top lists. So but I mean like you said, beer, bread are like general things that people could easily adapt to. So I could remember a time they interviewed that was Usain Bolt during the Beijing Olympics. He said he ate hamburgers through McDonald's throughout the period he was in China because they were eating some funny, funny foods. So if I can just get that one, I know that I will go for it. I don't mind eating it till the day I live there. So it's a good one.
yeah. So well, if you think you won't be able to cope with the German food, there are also other restaurants here that sell. In fact, there are even African restaurants here actually, but it's just that they are quite expensive. But there are also other, you know, food there from other countries like Japanese, Chinese, all kinds of restaurants that you are looking for, from all parts of the world. So if you think you don't like the German kind of food or the European kind of food, you can as well try something from Africa. You can as well try something from Asia. You know, there are all kinds of restaurants, trust me, all kinds of restaurants.